Hey guys, I'm back. My hair is freshly washed. Just got finished. Well, I didn't just get finished. I washed my hair around like 2 o'clock. It's like 4:30, 5 o'clock now, because after I washed my hair, I washed my daughter's hair and I styled her hair. So that took a while. So it's been in this damp towel for that time. So here's my freshly washed hair. It smells so good. It feels so soft. Okay, so last time I straightened my hair, let's see, it's March 17th. No, today's the 18th. It's March 18th. So the last time I straightened my hair was actually, so that's been like 5 months, so almost 6 months basically since I straightened my hair. So this is what it looks like. And this is my natural curls. This is no type of product on it, just straight from washing, conditioning, and my hair actually looks good like this. And okay, so we're just gonna get started with sectioning our hair, protecting it, and this is just to give me more volume, more body. This is more so what I'm using this for. So one pump. One pump of that. And y'all, my hair sheds so much. And then my ends are horrible. I can just tell by looking at it before. It'll come on like that, and then you can just press, like it's red, but then you just press that to turn it on. Medium heat, low heat, cool shot. So I usually do it on the floor. I don't like of my hair blown out and the ends are trimmed. I haven't been trimming that much, but that's like that much. That's not even an inch, probably like a 1/4 of an inch. On the, whenever you saw I did the back section, I only did one pump. But with this top section, I'm gonna do, well, the middle section and this top section, I've been doing 2 pumps of this. So like 2 pumps, 1.5, whatever you wanna call it, and still just 1 pump of this. And then just mix it together now marvelously together because they're the same, like same brands. So I just hold it to like my ends and then I just blow dry it. And then once I feel like it's stretched out a good bit, I just start going in with the comb and doing it. So it's pretty straight, and I'm not gonna lie, these two together, it's bomb. Like my hair has never gotten this. And see, sometimes it is the product, and sometimes it's your technique. Okay, so hair is fully blow dried, and this is what it looks like. It's super shiny. It's very soft. Like, honestly, I'm gonna give it to the products on this one and a little bit of the technique, but I really think it's the products that worked really well together that gives it this softness. We're about to get into straightening the mane. Okay, so I have my hair in my 3 sections. So my top section, my middle section, and my back section. I'm gonna add any of this extra on to my hair just because I feel it, like it's on there, like, you know what I mean. I just don't want to add too much to where my hair feels oily, so I'm not gonna do that. So now I'm gonna start by just having a small section in the back. Just gonna clip this part up, clip that part up, and I'm just excited to use. Just excited to use. Oh God. I was about to say this don't look even, but we there. I was gonna say hello now, Kima. Yeah, we did. Just ready to use this. Oh yeah, my breakage or split ends, whatever you want to call it. This is how much came out with blow drying all sections, which really is not that bad for me, just because I shed a lot. So as we get started, I have my flat iron. It's pretty hot. It's on max. I don't know what temperature max is. And I can't really see because I got my glasses on. I'm guessing either probably 400, maybe 450, maybe. That may be the thing. So your hair is not gonna come out right. So I'm gonna keep doing it until I feel like it's pretty. And of course, the flat iron. Oh shit, I ain't even got it on the whole thing. See, this is shit I'm talking about. I feel like each time I do, every time I straighten my hair, I feel like I always get better every time I do it. So guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you all enjoyed it. I hope you all learned some helpful tips. Hope you all found a new technique or products to use to do your blowout or straightening. If you did like the video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me some comments below, any questions you want to ask me, what you thought about the video, anything, just leave it in the comment box below. And also don't forget to subscribe, because I will be coming out with some more videos maybe next week. I'm gonna do another poll on Instagram, so follow me on Instagram if you want to see the polls. And I will have 2 different hairstyles, and y'all can pick between the 2, and I will do a video on it and give y'all that content. So gotta go because my daughter is calling me. So Thanks, bye.